In this video, we are going to understand very important concept, that is the difference between var, let and const. Let and const are the new addition to JavaScript, so let's try to understand it. If you are new here, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you will get latest videos delivered first to you. First, let's see the use case of var. Suppose I declare a variable using var. I can write like this. And also I am free to use message again. So here you can see that I have redeclared message, and let's also log it to see that JavaScript run this code or not. So you see that JavaScript easily run this code. So I can redeclare the same variable when I am using the var keyword. But this can be problematic in your code base because somewhere you have defined a message, it has some role, and by mistake you redeclare the same variable with the same name. So that can create inconsistency in your program. So that's why we do not use var nowadays in our program. So let's see what is the solution of this problem. So let's replace it with let. Let does the same thing as var, but it solves the problem. Let's see. Here we find that message has already been declared. So once we have declared a variable using let, we cannot redeclare that variable. So that solves the problem that we had. So that's why we use let. Now one property of let that is useful is, suppose I create a message, okay, hello, and we want to update that variable with a different value. So with let we can do that. For example, if I remove this and run this program, you see you have got the by value. So first we declare message, provided a value as hello, and then we updated the value of that variable. So let allows to update that value. But suppose you do not want the program to update the value even. So for that we have another keyword for declaring variable called const. So when I declare a variable using keyword const and will try to update that value later, then let's see what happens. So assignment of a constant variable. So JavaScript will not allow that I assign a new value to that variable. So if I remove this program and run this, then it will run. So we saw that using var and let and const, we can declare variables. Using var, we can even redeclare the same variable again. With let, we cannot redeclare that variable but update the value. With const, we can not even redeclare the value, not even update the values. Okay, so these are the keywords which are very important to understand.